I-training is busy ngayo njengamanje yoku repair ama smartphones, ama phone nje wonke from Android to ama iPhones. Yes. Kube ama laptop wonke futhi o Mac o HP o Samsung o bani wonke ama laptop akhona nama desktops akhona. Kube ama drones, kube ama watch la ama smartwatches la nowasebenzayo wahlanganisa nefoni ama watch anjalo. Anything that is electronical and computer based. Ama skills esiba equipa ngayo number 1. Lana we are not just training you with how to replace RAM, how to replace the hard drive. We are not training you intela. We are training intela.
Uthinte ngisho waya labo gesi abancane yabo.
Yes, we are training you how to diagnose kwi-motherboard ukuthi yipi component. Mhlambe i-resistor ishile, mhlambe i-capacitor, mhlambe i-MOSFET enenkinga, mhlambe i-BIOS i-corruptekile. We train you how to reprogram i-BIOS, how to replace the screen se laptop, how to repair i-device engenwe amanzi. We train you all those things. Yeah, so labantu esibatrainayo ke ama entrepreneurs now. Yes, ama entrepreneurs, abantu abanama business abo who are looking to upskill themselves, because kuyinkinga ukuthi uthi une repair store but uthola ukuthi device yakho awusazi wena, uvela uthi awusazi start ukuthi yini manje usuzoyenza usukwenze konke, yabo. But we train you ukuthi kwazi ukuthi repair whatever problem i-device yakho esuka inenkinga yayo.
Sanibonani. Nenjani? Hayi ngiyaphila. No bengisacela nje nichaze nje bafowethu ukuthi no bani niphuma kephi company.
Okay, let's go specially senze from Zenotha Creatives. Yona ulungisa sona.
Yeah. So basically we're partners with the company. We do web-based troubleshooting, we do web development, front end and back end. We also work with wireframes, graphic designs, and we also do system repairs.
Actually, we're an ad hoc agency that helps other companies launch their startups and MVPs to get them to market faster. So as a result, this new training allows us to expand what we can offer to our clients.
Exactly.
So not only do we offer solutions for development, design, and integrated systems, we're now able to repair something they have in-house as a markup for the company.
So nje yini njengathi mhlawumbe ni gainile from this training?
I'd say for one, look, I came with my watch, I came with a flat, but building it wasn't charging after I went to the beach in Alu, and then within, I think it was the second week ago, we were able to repair it and charge. Wouldn't your mind would have quite charged out, unfortunately. But we can fix smartwatches, monitors, we can
fix
exactly. So we can fix a lot of devices thanks to Muko's instructor, and we've learned how to troubleshoot the devices with schematics as well.
Okay. From 1 to 5, how ungayi refer Zenotha?
5,000?
From 1 to 5, which
5,000.
we are being 5 being most likely would we recommend Zenotha IT
it's
solution?
A definite 5. Like learn value yakona is extremely high, and if you look at how long we've been in this program, we've been in here for such a short period, and yet we've gained so much. For we can actually go out into the world and actually apply in knowledge SETA. You took somebody who was completely software based and you took him into a hardware based element. How to diagnose a device and manage to actually repair that thing. You took someone from a completely different field and yet must grasp the scale.
Not only that, from that knowledge, we can now build our own markup devices based on the knowledge we have on how electronic components work, how PCBs work, how currents work with electricity. So in the end, we can build our own devices for office use and other things based on what we've done.
That's the beauty of what we learned here, which it's not just one-dimensional. We can literally branch off into so many ventures. Mind you, we were looking at a different project where we were thinking of what's
Not yet.
Yeah. I can't really disclose, but let's just say
it will change how people
ideas are limitless.
I know. Thank you so much, guys. All the best.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Sawubona, my brother John. Hayi ngiyaphila mfethu ngiyaphila. Bengisacela nje uyichaze mfethu ukuthi ubani wena uchaze nani company yakho.
Igama lami ngisinothile Makhumalo qhamuka kwikhampani ebizwa ngokuthi SMG DevTech. SMG DevTech we normally provide ama-services e-software development, graphic designs, computer repair, yeah, that's what we do.
Okay, so ungathi yini nje uyigainile mfethu from the program ye-Zenotha?
Engathi ngikugainile we-program to be more specific ngikwazi ukukhanda naye iPhone. Yeah, as business man naso, but then with the knowledge engigain nayo i-program, I can see ukuthi I can provide a service to my business, of which I'm coming from on the software development side. So with being part of the hardware, cool business.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Zenotha IT solutions?
I can give them 5.
I must call umqalaza kuqala.
Yeah, mine is a 5 because the knowledge engithola on the program is very much better, and I can recommend it to anyone else to ofuna pursue side hardware.
Okay, no, thank you so much my brother, all the best nje going forward.
Thank you so much.
Sawubona my brother njani?
Ngoleni kunjani?
Ngiyaphila mfethu ngisacela nje uyichaze mfethu wena and then uchaze nani company yakho ukuthi uphuma kephi.
Okay, igama ubuyiselixolo ngokwamagwaza. Ngiphuma under i-company uNet Apps Development. So uNet Apps Development senza ama-website, ama-mobile applications. We also do computer repairs. We also do networking. Yes.
Okay, so ngathi nje yini mfethu oyigainile from le program ye-Zenotha IT solutions?
Le program ibaluleke kakhulu kumo because ixesha elininzi benifunda i-software development, but then as we know ukuthi ama-devices it is the software and the hardware ezihlanganisiwe zenza a device. So apho into endiyifundile it's when you diagnose i-PC because kubalulekile ukwazi makufika i-laptop in a problem mhlambe inga-on. So when as a doctor, actually you are a doctor kuyo ama-computers. So as a doctor you have to diagnose PC and then uthole the problem. And then kubalulekile ukuthola the problem because you cannot get a solution without a problem. So ngifunde kakhulu lana and bengayazi Zenotha actually, but then bengazi ukuthi eThekwini khona ama-companies awanikeza ama-services awakanje. So ngisanda kuyifumana nje and I can see ukuthi I'm going very far with the knowledge that engiyitholela because kubalulekile uku-investor to be knowledge than imali.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Zenotha komunye umuntu?
Well, ngabanikeza u5 because iZenotha ngendlela engibona ngayo it's i-company efuna not only benefita yona but ukunceda i-community because kubalulekile to bring back i-community.
I know. Thank you so much my brother.
Siyabonga.
Sawubona.
Sawubona bhuti.
Ngiyaphileka.
Ngiyaphileka.
No, ngicela nje ukuchaze mfethu wena ukuthi what was your role kwi-program yeZenotha kuqala?
Alright, igama ngibonga inkosi Msibi from JPV Technologies. So we deal with into like anything nje case siyakhona ukuthi sikhande repair and then and we program to be honest because of experience and to give back the community. And then vele ngifisa vele ukuthi ngisize nje ngiyathanda ukusiza abantu abancane abasaphusha starting up ama-companies. Bekuvele kwisifiso sami leso yabo. So to be here kule program ngasho ngithi angazi ngiyethola vele experience kanje yabo, even though ungazi ukhanda nani, but just to be around abo bafulayo nosizo, it's one of the best thing nje yabo ngathi.
Ngoba phela sengiyabona i-chemistry sikhona. What were the challenges nje kade niqala from i-program until inzeni bela?
Number one ngasho ngithi nje ba understandable because abantu babona they are running ama-businesses yabo. There's nokuthola nje because yabo ukuthi why bela of which into ebalekile leyo ukuthi abantu why bela bazodlala noma ba-serious of which unfortunately ba-serious, they are very serious. You can see them
hayi bayabonakala bona ukuthi hayi
so ama-challenges angasho ukuthi bengekho to be honest when more challenges nje ngisheshile ubazi nawo basheshile futhi ungazi like kwenziwa quick same thing nje like they were my brothers like first day.
Okay, inhloso ye-program bekuba equipha vele ngaziphi ama-skills noma ngawamenshina nje one by one.
Ama-skills lana owatholayo kule program if you join i-Zenotha number 1 yabo IT solutions ukuthi once wangena part of i-program ukhona ukuthi ukhande even i-camera lo iphethe bafo bese nje yafa ngena emanzini obviously uhambo ekhandisa kwezinye indawo bokutshela ukuthi lahle ayisingeke iphinde ikhandeke and ubala nayo kwi-program uyakhona ukuthi uyiphikise izinto ezikanjalo ukuthi no you can repair this, you can do it yabo vele this slogan lo yethu vele ithi we do the impossible kahle yabo sigena lapho ke to do the impossible to repair ifoni yakho to repair ikhompyutha yakho lesekhaya uyibekile ku-wardrobe ekuthiwa ngeke iphinde lo uyakhona ukhande into zagesi uthola ukuthi ube one of the best technicians of which iskill edingakalayo la kule country and unfortunately kasikho you can't find abantu abakhona behlakaza into kagesi benza ama-pieces they keep ama-component one by one kunzima kakhulu but most guys they replace i-motherboard but once oba part of Zenotha IT solution uyakhona ukuthi ube yini solution kumphakathi kahle be able to do izinto lezi ezingishilo ukuthi zi-impossible kukhanda zagesi ngayi-TV ngayi-radio ngayi-laptop ngayi-camera ngayi-cellphone ngama-drone ngaba ama-smartwatches ziningi ngabalande kuzishonelanga but into zagesi lezona ukuthi kuzenze.
Okay, so manje isakhona mhlawumbe collaboration that we can expect between you, your company and Zenotha this year?
Yeah, yes, inkulu kakhulu futhi soqhubeka nje ngasho ngesibuka okuyohlukanisa. Yabo noma ngeke ngisasho phela ke ngi-expose mhlambe ezinye zeimfihlo zami naye kodwa nje we are going like fine kahle there's more coming. Yabo ayiphela ayigcina iyaqhubeka nje kahle bethe iqala kwayo le this is just the beginning.
I know all the best guys nje going forward and because equip abantu fethu with the skill is the most important thing that we need njengamanje yabona.
This country yabadinga vele abantu brilliant basmart yabo and abantu abaletha ushintsho emphakathini.
Especially this space in fact le space mele sibe nathi nabantu bala eSouth Africa who are in this space yabo kungabe amaSulumane namaPakistan agcwele kusona yabo we need abantu bala nathi nje abazokwazi ukuthi basenzele iqiniso because nalapho uyafika umuntu ukhiphe enye into ukhandenye ukhiphe enye uhakandenye lungisa into eyodwa unyaka wonke. Hayi nje siyabonga kakhulu mfethu siyabonga kakhulu. Hey all the best.